Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which provides the best PGDM and international MBA courses. Hello MAT aspirants. On behalf of Firebird Institute of Research and Management, we are going to organize a free online webinar on previous exam question discussions coming May 16th, Tuesday at 8 o'clock. If you want to know about the question type and the question level, kindly join this webinar. It is a free online webinar on May 16th, Tuesday at 8 o'clock. To join this webinar, register through the link provided in the description box. All the best students. In this webinar, we are going to give you the tricks and tips and also the most important topics which you should focus to score 600 plus in the upcoming May MAT examination. In this video, we are going to discuss May MAT 2023 question paper. Here, we have provided the list of topics which was asked in the recent May MAT examination. Watch this complete video to get a complete idea about the upcoming May MAT examinations to be held in the next week. Under language comprehension, they asked two passages. Each passage carries 5 marks. In total, 10 marks. And opposite, that is antonym, 4 marks. Choose a word or phrase in meaning nearest to the underlined part, 4 questions. Fill in the blanks, 4 questions. Error spotting, 4 questions. One word substitution, 3 questions. Choose the option that best expresses the meaning of the underlined idiom or phrase in the sentence, 4 questions. And summary type questions, 3. And logical paragraph. Here framing, logical paragraph, 3 questions. In total, 40 questions were asked from language comprehension. Coming to intelligence and critical reasoning, 40 questions were asked. So 3 puzzles are there. And then assertion and reasoning 5, statement course of action 5, statement argument type 5 questions. And remaining 20 questions are based on ages, blood relationship, handshake problems, coding and decoding. 2 questions were asked from this topic, arrangement, directions, cubes and cuboids, arrangement based on building, and so a few more arrangements based on height type. They were asked in the intelligence and critical reasoning part. And next, mathematical skills part. So, in the mathematical skills part, so you have to concentrate on all the topics. Pipes and system 2 questions were asked, ages 2 questions, reminder theorem 1, mensuration 2, partnership 2, probability 2, Venn diagram 1 question, time and work 3 questions, percentage 1 question. And then boats and stream 2 questions, time, speed and distance 2, trigonometry 2 questions, train based problems 3 questions, allegations and mixture 2 questions, average 2 questions, time, speed and distance 1 question. Permutation and combination, algebra, LCM and HCF, simple interest and compound interest. So these are the topics that were widely covered under mathematical skills parts. So under mathematical skills parts, you will get 40 questions. And the next topic, data analysis and sufficiency. Under data analysis and sufficiency, they asked bar graph. First 5 questions were based on bar graph. And the next, question number 6 to 10, they asked pie chart and bar graph. Then line graph, 2 pie charts, table. So nearly 5 data analysis questions you can expect. Minimum 4, maximum up to 5 questions you can expect. And then comparing 2 quantities, caselet 1 and data sufficiency only 5. So data sufficiency you can expect 5 to 10 questions, and comparison you can expect to 5 questions. So 20 to 25 questions you can expect from data analysis type like bar graph, pie chart, line graph and tabular column type. Okay, I hope you all got many information about this May MAT important topics. So kindly concentrate on these topics and first get thorough with the topics that were easy and in the basics. Don't forget to join our free online webinar to be held on May 16th, Tuesday at 8 o'clock. In this webinar, we are going to discuss the important questions that were asked in the May MAT as well as FebMat question paper. Definitely, it will help you to guide more than 600 plus in the upcoming May Mat examination. All the best, students.